According to the NFPA 96 code, all exhaust fans are required to have some sort of a grease containment catch system. Now what that is just can be as simple as a little box like this, and they can also be as extravagant as something that goes all the way around, that sticks out about this far and really just covers all the area right around the fan. There's about 5 or 6 different styles. You can click on the link below to go to our website and see all the different options that are available. But why it's important is if you've got grease dripping out of your fan and pooling down on the rooftop, A, it's gonna ruin your roof, and B, it's a horrible fire hazard to have grease accumulation on the roof. So again, it is a requirement that you must have a grease collection box on your exhaust fan so you're not pooling grease onto your rooftop. Again, click on the link below and you can see all the different options that are available.